them
that is
ever
not
a
me.
beg froggy.
I don't have no contact. I don't talk to this fucking guy. And if him want to do stuff, like people are doing fake pages. All you know is me. All you prove is me. I forgot about you. I'm living my life. I'm doing me. I don't give a fuck about you, Coco. I don't give a fuck about you. But anybody can make a fake page and just come at you. Or even this nigga, he's calling me, begging me money. So when I gave him money last time, was for him to buy food and grocery. I have all the text message, what he sent and begging me. I never give him money to bring you down. And I never, but they come because I wasn't giving him no money or whatever to help him out. So he came and said, bring up this narrative that I was paying him to do this. And you're so like the negativity. So anything anybody say, you're going to suck and believe. The man did his funeral thing and doing you. You think I give a fuck or no? What's going on? I block. I don't talk to them no more of whatever would whatever happen. And the big lie and narrative. But you're so dumb and delusional. You can think everything is me. Coco, I don't remember about you. And just remember, because I don't come on the internet, you think I'm afraid of you, bro? You think I'm scared to come Jamaica because you are threatening me about death and all these things?